Hello guys. Today my work off. This is Pravashi. One day off, no rest. Working side off. I'm happy, no problem. Because you mojud gurfa, no rest. You 1 week কাপড় ইউজ করেগা use so 1 week but then Friday you coming and to Friday coming you no sleeping 2 hours 2 hours zyada no problem your mind have today wash your kapur because কাপড় ধুনা পড়েগা I talk all guys and প্রবাসী ভাইরা বন্ধুরা I today go hammam then clean my kapur you all guys see here then see my kapur all jama ho gaya I'm 1 week use kapur because I mean last week no wash my kapur today I'm mojud gor of my shugul work side at the kapur dona porega you all people understand my talking any problem please comment my video okay I am Awal Mojud Bangladesh Dalal he talk you know Kapur wash Kapur company clean kora dega because ehno I am malum company personal Kapur no clean no wash your personal Kapur you wash korega Awal Mojud my Bangladesh ana mafi malum I know I don't know hina but then you Saudi Arabia coming after malum then personal kapur I wash all people all guys all boy please see my balti sub kuluno for kitna kapur জমা হে এ হচ্ছে বালিশের কভার এ হচ্ছে বেডশিট এই যে আর কই this is genji this is sada genji sendu genji this is my short pant kullu me clean any problem okay all people be happy I'm pray for all boy and girls I'm go hammam then after clean my kapur bye so all people dua amar liga okay bye